Hey guys, Ethan here with Terminal.com, and today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily set up SSH keys on your Windows machine. So this is a Windows-specific SSH tutorial, and we're just going to generate the keys for your later use. We've got other articles describing how to use them, and we're going to use PuTTY in order to do it. So very, very simple process. Um, PuTTY is a package of several different tools, can perform several tasks, anything from SSH key generation to connection to file transfers, can do a lot. You can get your hands on it in a couple of ways. If you're one of our readers, you could certainly go to the blog post that we did on PuTTY, and there is a download link right here, which will enable you to download the entire package, or you can go to PuTTY's download page, which I've got open here. You can get that same entire package. You can get an installer, which makes it a little bit easier for some people, or you can select individual pieces of the package. What we're going to need for this is just PuTTYgen, but to keep things simple, I'm going to show you by downloading the full package, because this is how most of our readers will probably run across it. So you just download the zip file right there, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new file on this desktop, or a new directory rather, and we'll call it PuTTY. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up this zip drive or zip file that we just created, select everything in it, and copy it over to the new directory we just made. Should only take a moment. Once it's done copying, you just open up the directory to ensure that everything has been transferred over properly, and you're just about good to go. The last thing you have to do is just open up PuTTYgen, and you're ready to create a key. PuTTYgen makes it super simple. All you have to do is just click generate, and then it will ask you to move your mouse randomly over this white area until it's finished generating the keys, and it uses this random motion to kind of generate your passkey, which is kind of cool. After it does that, it'll load a window which has all the information you need in order to use this in any of our tutorials, or with whatever else you may be doing using SSH keys. You can set your passphrase, which I tend not to suggest, just because it adds an extra layer of complexity to the use of SSH keys. I don't personally do it, but if you're working on something that you're really concerned with, you may want to do this. You can also copy your public key from here. You can save the private key, which you can save it to whichever location you like. I'm going to save it to this new directory we've made. Just call it private.ppk. You can save it. You can save your public key in the same exact way. Very simple, and you're ready to go. If you ever need to access this information again, all you have to do is open PuTTYgen, hit load. It's going to ask you which key you'd like to load, and you can just select the one that you've already saved. And here you can see it's pulled up the information again. If I had set a passphrase, it would have set the passphrase in here, which means this is a great way to add a passphrase, remove a passphrase, change a passphrase, whatever you need to do. Very powerful tool, super simple to use. Guys, I hope this was helpful. Thanks for taking a look, and be sure to tune in next time.